Hello, this is Ben from Stock Hours here today, and I'm back with another live trading video. So today I'm going to be going over a Tesla trade that I took today. So we're going to be focusing on this solid blue line right here at 1080, and you can see we bounced here. We didn't close below it. We didn't close below it here. Didn't close below it here. Didn't close below it here or here. Kind of had something going on pre-market here. And you can see this 1062 level we rejected twice here, and then fell right under 1060 right here. So my play was I was watching to see a continuation under this 1080 level into that 1060, and you can see this is the next day right here. So we had this huge crack all the way down, and we bounced off the 1000 level here. So I have the live trade to show you guys what all happened here and how I took this. I ended up taking a bit of an early entry here, and I'm going to show you guys that, and you guys will be able to see the momentum into what I played. So here's the live trade here. So up here on the left I have the Tesla chart, I have the times and sales here, the level 2, and the book trader here, which is the entry window, and you can see the profits here and here. And then this right here is just another order entry thing, and then this is the level 2 for the contracts. Up here we have the NASDAQ, so we can see how Tesla was correlating with the NQ, and then I also have the option chain here just for reference, and then we also have the time up here at the top. So you see here, Tesla, we fell hard right here at open. We fell all the way to 1086, and then we bounced, had this crazy recovery, and then we ended up coming back down, and you can see NQ basically had a steady trend upwards here as Tesla fell. So we identified the weak link here, and then we broke low a day here at 1086 and cracked down all the way to 1083. So this had actually formed like a 5-minute kind of pattern. I noticed the downward momentum under 1086, 1085 here, and I got in a little bit early into the low of daybreak, and I sold before it broke 1080 here, and we can go ahead and watch that here. So let's see, hang on, let me go back. So right here you can see we're kind of forming this lowercase h right here, and I'm looking for like 1086, 1085 on level 2. So let me see if I can pause it at a good moment here. So right here we can see the tape speeding up with sell orders coming in. All right, and then I'm looking to get in right here is when I click the button. So I'm clicking it right now. We just fell under 1085, so I was making sure I got in before we broke this low here. There we go. See, I got in, we broke the low, we're falling. So like my target here was 1080. I ended up being green way more than I expected. I ended up just taking profits here before the break. It ended up being a really good move. So what I'm doing over here, I'm going to pause it again here. You can see my position right here. This is my price. You can also see it right here. But this is my price for the contracts, and we can look at the level 2 for the contracts down here, and we can see what the price of the contracts are doing while we're in. And I'm over here creating a sell order right here, and basically I'm going to set my own custom limit price here. So we're falling, and I'm noticing these contracts are kind of hitting 24 and kind of stopping, and then Tesla is kind of struggling. We just got this red candle on NQ, and we drop, we're wicking a little bit. So I end up seeing 24 flat here. I end up placing my sell order right at 24 right here. So you see my sell orders pending right here. I just put it in. We're falling under 181. I'm just staying patient here, and then boom, it fills me out, making 820. And then, you know, I ended up doing the right thing here and selling there. I got a pretty decent sell. I mean, obviously those contracts had like 23.30 or 24.30, so I could have got another extra like $40 a contract, but I was still really happy with my profits on that. And you can see we bounced here. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up a little bit so you can see we had this crazy bounce here, and you know, I was very happy with my sell there for being patient and not looking for too much out of the trade. And then so we're pushing back up to this 194 area. You can see I have an alert right here. We have these 3 wicks here. We kind of have a 4th wick here, and I really liked how that looked. Since we had that little formation there and we had this low right here at 1080, I was looking to scalp the 1080 break again. So just a quick play, and you can see how quickly we end up coming down here. And you know, with the momentum Tesla has, I'm looking for the 181 on the bid to get in here, which was a little bit of an early entry, I will say so myself, but I was confident in it, and I sized down a little bit before I got in. You can see the sellers are just in control, taking over this right here. Let me see. You can see, boom, we're falling, and we have 181 flat. I just placed my order here, so my price is $23.95, and we can watch down here what the contracts do. All right, and we're right at 180. We cracked down, and I'm out. And I basically made 165 a contract right there. So that was an amazing quick scalp, and we ended up keep falling here, but you know, I was still happy with my sell on that. So we keep going here. So yeah, so that's the live trade for me today. If you guys like this kind of video with everything kind of consolidated into it, let me know. For the next one, I'm going to try to make it more simple. I know there's a lot going on the screen, but yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.